Hey guys, today's video I have some more Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIYs for you guys. Plus I also have some decor ideas that you can do using the flowers that they have right now at Dollar Tree. So the first DIY that I want to share with you guys that I made was the flower heart-shaped wreath. And I'm using this heart-shaped wreath that they have at Dollar Tree. And I'm also using these new foam roses that they have new this year at Dollar Tree. They also come in red, but as you guys know, if you've seen my other Valentine's Day DIYs, I like decorating with just pinks and whites for Valentine's Day. But I did want to let you guys know that there were some red ones if that is the color scheme that you're going with. Now the first thing that I like to do is I like to arrange my roses on the wreath first before I glue it down, because a lot of times if you glue things down then try to move it, it just rips the flowers apart. Especially these foam roses, they are very delicate, because I did actually glue something down and try to move it and it just ripped the roses apart. So once you glue these roses down, you cannot move them. So you need to know exactly where you want to put them before you try to glue them down, or they will just, rip apart. Now the glue that I'm using for this is of course my hot glue gun. And I glued all the roses on the inside of this wire wreath. Now I noticed that there were some empty spots that I wanted to fill. So I remembered that I had some leftover rose stems and leaves from last year, from the roses that I used last year in my Valentine's Day DIY, where I made like an ombre shaped wreath. And so I'm glad I saved these stems and these leaves, because they came in handy with this DIY, because I took the leaves and I just basically glued them in the empty spots that I wanted to cover up so that the wreath, the wire wreath wasn't showing. And when you do this, you have to be careful that you do not let the leaves overlap too much, because if you have them overlap too much on the sides of the heart shape, it takes away from the heart shape of this wreath. So you just want to make sure that you add the leaves in. It's okay if a little bit overlaps, but don't make it too much where it just takes away from the shape of a heart, because then it just defeats the purpose of making a heart shaped wreath, because the leaves will just take it on as another shape and it wouldn't look right. But I did this a couple times until I got it right. So you might have to cut the leaves. I had to cut some leaves to make it work. So this is how it turned out. I think it's so cute. And I actually saw a decor piece like this in the store that went for about 50 bucks, guys. And I made this for I think less than $5 or around $5. And it came out so beautiful. And I actually have it in my kitchen right now on my pantry door, and it looks gorgeous. In my last Dollar Tree haul video, I shared with you guys how these foam roses would look cute in a heart-shaped tray sitting on your table, and that would make such a beautiful decor piece. So I'm going to share with you guys exactly how I would arrange it. So Dollar Tree has different types of heart types of trays. They have the plastic one, which is the one I'm using. They also have this glass one that I haven't seen in a while, but they used to have it in Dollar Tree, but either or would work. So you just take the foam roses, or any roses that you use that they have at Dollar Tree. Doesn't even have to be the foam roses, it could be like the ones that come in bouquets, and just arrange them inside the heart-shaped tray. And it makes such a beautiful decor piece, and it's so simple and so easy to create. Now the first one that I'm going to be sharing with you guys right here is I just arranged them using just the whites and the light pinks. So I just love the look of white and light pink. That's like my favorite two things to go to is the light pinks and the whites. So this first one I'm sharing with you guys is just having the roses inside this tray as is, and this looks cute like this if you want to keep it like that, but I wanted to add a little bit of greenery to mine. So what I'm showing you now is how I took those leftover leaves and added them to the bottom of the foam roses, and then put them back in this tray and decorated it. That's the way I like to use it. And when you add the leaves, you want to take that little pointy part off of it, so that when you glue the leaves to the bottom of the roses, it sits in the tray nicely and not stands up. And the way I arranged it, I just arranged it. I didn't glue down the roses into the tray, because in case I want to use this tray again, I didn't want to glue it down. But you can glue it down into the tray if you want to, but I just set mine in it. And this is the way that I'm decorating with it, because I just feel like whenever I have flowers or any type of any type of flowers, actually, I just like to add greenery. I think greenery just pops colors into everything. I mean, I love whites, I love the light pinks, but sometimes having those colors, it can be dull. So I just need a little touch of greenery. So that's the way I used it to decorate it, but you can use either way, however you want to do it. The next idea that I want to share with you guys is how I decorated this beautiful, gorgeous bowl that I found in the wedding section at Dollar Tree. Guys, this bowl looks so expensive and so high-end, and it's so big that I was so surprised that I got it for just $1 at Dollar Tree. I shared with you during Christmas time how I use it to decorate my home with some Christmas balls, but now I'm going to use it for Valentine's Day and put some roses inside it. So I'm going to take these white roses that I had already on hand at my home, and also these ombre looking pink roses that I've been having for years. They had them at Dollar Tree a while back, and I'm going to be using a mixture of both of them to create a beautiful flower centerpiece for my home. And guys, look how beautiful this came out. This looks so high-end and so expensive, and I've seen this same type of decor piece in, you know, some high-end stores and some high-end houses. Like whenever I see reality shows or any of these other YouTubers that they have these expensive homes, they have this exact same centerpiece, and when they talk about it, they actually spend way more than $5 to make it, and I made it for less than $5. So I just love it, and this is one of my favorite pieces that I'm sharing with you guys. Another idea that you guys can do is take the roses from Dollar Tree and put them in this mirror flower box that I created using 4 of the mirrors that they have, the square mirrors that they have at Dollar Tree. I do have a video for this mirror flower box, and I'll put the link down below. It was one of my first videos. It's an old video, but I will put it down below. And another way that I use the foam roses was I use them to decorate my apothecary jars. This is also a DIY as well. I made these apothecary jars using Dollar Tree products, and I'll put that video down below if you want to see how to make them yourself. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed all the ideas that I gave you on how you can make different DIYs and how you can, you know, decorate your home with the roses that they have at Dollar Tree for Valentine's Day. You can take this and just have, you don't only have to decorate it for Valentine's Day, you can use this in your home all year round, especially this bowl, which is my favorite, which I think I might just switch out the roses and the flowers and just keep it all year round because it's gorgeous, and it's actually sitting on my dining room table. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned because I have more Valentine's Day DIYs coming your way. So I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.